In the world of digital marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, plays a crucial role in driving organic traffic to websites. One of the key elements of SEO is meta description optimization, which focuses on crafting concise and compelling summaries of web pages. These meta descriptions appear in search engine results pages, SERPs, and can significantly impact a website's visibility and click-through rates, CTRs. This article explores the importance of meta description optimization, strategies for creating effective meta descriptions, and best practices to improve your website's overall SEO performance. Understanding meta descriptions. Meta descriptions are HTML attributes that provide concise summaries of web page content. They typically range from 150 to 160 characters and are displayed beneath the page title in SERPs. While meta descriptions do not directly influence search engine rankings, they play a crucial role in enticing users to click on your website's link. Well-crafted meta descriptions can make your web page stand out among competitors and encourage users to visit your site, ultimately increasing your CTR and driving more organic traffic. Importance of meta description optimization. Increased visibility in SERPs, meta descriptions serve as an opportunity to showcase your web page's relevance and unique selling points. By optimizing meta descriptions, you can increase the likelihood of your page appearing prominently in search results, improving its visibility and attracting more potential visitors. Improved click-through rates. A well-written meta description can entice users to click on your website's link instead of others. By incorporating relevant keywords and highlighting compelling information, you can grab the attention of searchers, increase curiosity, and ultimately drive more traffic to your site. Enhanced user experience. Meta descriptions provide a concise preview of the content users can expect to find on your web page. By accurately summarizing the information and aligning user expectations, you can deliver a positive user experience and reduce bounce rates. Branding and differentiation. Crafting unique and compelling meta descriptions enables you to differentiate your website from competitors. By highlighting your brand's unique value proposition, you can build brand recognition and attract users who resonate with your offerings. Strategies for effective meta description optimization. Understand user intent. To create compelling meta descriptions, it's essential to understand the search intent behind specific queries. Analyze the keywords users are using and consider the questions they are likely to have. Craft meta descriptions that address these queries directly, providing valuable information that matches their search intent. Use relevant keywords. Incorporating relevant keywords in your meta descriptions can improve your website's visibility in SERPs. Identify the primary keywords that align with your web page content and include them naturally in your meta description. However, avoid keyword stuffing, as it can make the description appear spammy and reduce its effectiveness. Write compelling and unique descriptions. Make your meta descriptions stand out by writing compelling and unique summaries. Highlight the most important information or benefits users can gain from visiting your page. Consider using action-oriented language, enticing offers, or addressing specific pain points to capture users' attention. Keep it concise and clear. Meta descriptions have limited character counts, so it's crucial to be concise yet informative. Aim for a length of around 150 to 160 characters to ensure the entire description is visible in SERPs. Clearly communicate the value proposition and make it easy for users to understand what your web page offers. Create a call to action. CTA. Adding a compelling call to action in your meta description can encourage users to click on your link. Use action words like discover, learn, explore, or get started to motivate users to engage with your website. Test and refine. Optimization is an ongoing process, and it's crucial to monitor the performance of your meta descriptions. A/B test different variations to determine which descriptions yield higher CTRs. Continuously refine and update your meta descriptions based on user engagement data and search trends. Best practices for meta description optimization. Avoid duplicate descriptions. Each web page should have a unique meta description that accurately reflects its content. Duplicate meta descriptions can confuse search engines and reduce the visibility of your web pages. Don't mislead users. Ensure that your meta descriptions accurately represent the content on your web page. Misleading descriptions can lead to higher bounce rates and damage your website's reputation. Utilize structured data. Implementing structured data markup, such as schema.org, can enhance your meta descriptions with additional information. Rich snippets, such as star ratings, product prices, or event dates, can make your listing more appealing and increase CTRs. Optimize for mobile. Given the increasing mobile usage, ensure that your meta descriptions are optimized for mobile devices. Keep the most critical information at the beginning, as mobile SERPs often display shorter meta descriptions. Stay relevant and up to date. Regularly review and update your meta descriptions to ensure they remain relevant and aligned with your web page content. Changes in your offerings or updates in search trends may require adjustments to your descriptions. Conclusion: meta description optimization is a fundamental aspect of SEO that can significantly impact a website's visibility and click-through rates. By crafting concise, compelling, and unique meta descriptions, you can improve your website's performance in SERPs, attract more organic traffic, and enhance user experience. Remember to align your meta descriptions with user intent, incorporate relevant keywords, and continuously test and refine your descriptions to stay ahead of the competition. With effective meta description optimization, you can increase your website's visibility, drive more qualified traffic, and ultimately achieve your digital marketing goals.